Exactly. I want people to know just how well-rounded you are because, Kat, you're also an entrepreneur, which we love finding out. Mo is a
And
fan.
I'm such a fan of your brand. I didn't know that was you today.
Wow, I'd love to give you guys when I come back.
So there you go. Kat's an entrepreneur, but also you're a reservist for the military here in the Philippines, correct? Did we get the research right?
Yes, that's
For the Air
right.
Force. She's a pilot.
Air Force.
So
Yeah.
cool,
Wait,
right?
wait. When you said Air Force, does that mean with flying?
Actually, with the Philippine Air Force Reservice, you could be whatever career you want to be. So not necessarily flying. So I'm part of their public relations branch with the military as a military service.
That is so cool.
Fits you so well. So see what we're saying, super well-rounded woman showing us that you can do anything and everything. And of course now, the winner of Supranational 2026.
Actually, how did you get into being a reservist? What piqued your interest?
Actually, my grandfather was part of the military force. So growing up, I was really disciplined. My dad, growing up in this family. But of course, beyond the stage, I really want to serve the Philippines. So what more better ways to serve the Philippines than to actually join the reserve force. So I'm really happy because I met a lot of people in the reserve force from all walks of life. And here I got inspired by their stories as well. And I'm carrying this with me throughout my journey. And now I'm coming back home. I can't wait to see them and celebrate them because this win is also a win for them. It's not every day that you see military service in the stage. So now you see, like what you said, a well-rounded person that we could really achieve whatever you want in life.
At atin pong napanood itong panayam kay Miss Supranational 2026 Katrina Ligado dito sa kilalang news outlet na Billionaire News Channel dahil nagbigay po siya mga kapolitika ng update sa kanyang pagkapanalo dito sa Miss Supra at yung kanyang homecoming, pinakainaabangan na homecoming dito sa ating bansa. So, by end of August daw ayon dito sa ating research ay by end of August ang homecoming ni Katrina Ligado dito sa Pilipinas. So we are hoping na sana is bibigyan siya ng maganda at pasabog na homecoming parade dahil sa karangalan na kanyang ibinigay sa ating bansa matapos na masungkit ang corona ng Miss Supranational para ngayong taon. So we are hoping na sana is pasabog at very presentable mga kapolitika yung kanyang maging homecoming parade dito sa ating bansa dahil sa karangalan na kanyang ibinigay para sa Pilipinas. At dito rin sa interview ni Katrina is na-mention niya rin na isa siyang reservist. So kahit siguro kung wala na sa pageant itong si Katrina, someday is pwede siyang mag-serve sa ating bansa or proteksyonan ng ating bansa kasi isa siyang reservist. So pwede siya sa Armed Forces of the Philippines. At hindi lang sa pageant nakatuon ang buhay ni Katrina Ligado. So dito isahangaan mo siya kasi marami siyang pwedeng gawin sa buhay mga kapolitika aside sa kanyang galing pagdating sa mundo ng beauty pageant. So yun po ang latest, nagkaroon siya ng interview at yung update niya dito sa matapos na manalo siya dito sa Miss Supra ay nagkaroon siya ng interview dito sa Billionaire News Channel. So yun po yung latest at samantala meron po kasi nga nag-viral na video kay Vietnam at dito kay Katrina Ligado sa kanilang kompetisyon doon sa Miss Supra na usap-usapan ng ating mga netizen na ang sabi ito daw yung nagpa-solidify sa pagkapanalo ni Katrina dahil sa kanyang behavior, dahil sa kanyang karakter na ipinakita doon kay Miss Vietnam kung saan is kinakabahan siya kasi hindi siya ganoon kahasa pagdating sa English or limited lang yung kanyang kaalaman mga kapolitika sa English. So doon sa kailang closed door interview ay kinakabahan itong si Miss Vietnam. So ang ginawa ni Katrina Ligado ay kinomfort niya mga kapolitika at pinalakas niya yung loob ni Miss Vietnam kung kaya marami ang humanga sa kanya at pinalakpakan siya ng mga netizen dito sa social media at kasi si Miss Vietnam hindi naman kasi nila first language yung English. Kung natututo man sila is hindi ganoon kagaling katulad ng mga Pinoy. So nakita at napansin ito ng mga Thai netizen dito sa social media, yung video na yon na nag-viral mga kapolitika. So humanga rin po ang mga Thai dito kay Katrina Ligado. dahil sa kanyang kabaitan at sa kanyang tulong doon kay Miss Vietnam, na kung saan is nagpalakas ng kanyang loob doon bago ang kailang closed door presentation. So sabi dito sa isang post, one thing na hangaan mo sa mga Thai pageant fans, gustong gusto nila manalo talaga. Grabe sila mag-observe whenever every edition of any pageant ends. Na-decode nila from this post na ang Supra daw mas pinaboran yung karakter ng candidate more than anything else. Na-link nila kung paano pinalakas ni Kat yung loob ni Miss Vietnam kasi hindi siya marunong mag-English masyado. Sa same situation ni Antonia Porcel nung tinulungan naman niya si Miss Lau ng batch niya na siya na lang mag-interpret sa interview. Both has won their respective editions. Same with Mutias Win. Siya na mismo ang nagkukwento na natuwa sa kanya yung mga tao doon kasi hindi siya highbrow candidate. Hindi assuming na siya na ang panalo, hindi overflowing ang confidence. Mukhang lumiliwanag na nga kung anong hinahanap ng Miss Supranational. Mas natural, mas authentic, honest to goodness yung kabaitan. No wonder why Philippines is so supportive. To be honest, the test results are very clear because before entering the dark room this year, the Philippines gave encouragement to Vietnam, which was not confident about speaking English, and Vietnam looked more relaxed. It's because they like Miss Nice, who encourages others, is kind and compassionate, just like when Antonia was a translator for a beauty pageant contestant from Laos in 2019. What Katrina said to Miss Vietnam is not surprising at all. She is extremely supportive and encouraging. If it were us, we might cry if someone comforts and encourages us like that. When Vietnam was sitting there, Katrina told them to get up and sit together. I saw something like that and thought of when Antonia was the interpreter for Lau in the interview room. At the time, the aura of kindness that Antonia showed was at its peak. This time, I'm looking for a nice person, someone with a good heart from the inside and out. I can feel it from the person who is kind every year. And the advisor of the group also come to see the person behind the crown, saying that the crown is beautiful, but her heart, the beautiful one, is what will make the position meaningful. So yun po mga kapolitika ang comment at post ng isang Thai dito sa social media kung saan kung kaya daw nanalo itong si Katrina ay dahil sa kanyang character at sa kanyang behavior na ipinakita doon sa Miss Supra na kinabibiliban ng organization. So yun daw ang prototype dito sa Miss Supra, hindi yung sobrang ganda, hindi yung sobrang impressive ang performance, kundi yung kaloob-looban ng puso ang tinitingnan ng Miss Supra. So, meron na tayong idea kung ano ba ang hinahanap ng Miss Supra kahit hindi man tayo manalo sa mga susunod na panahon ay kasi kakapanalo lang natin. So, yun na lang ang ating baunin mga kapolitika doon sa mga future representatives natin dito sa nasabing beauty pageant competition. At yun po ang ating latest na update dito kay Katrina Ligado. At doon po pala sa mga naghahanap ng kanilang mga videos or mga photos nitong si Pedro Cordero na nanalo sa Mr. Supranational ay wala po tayong makuha mga kapolitika kasi kanya-kanya po pala sila ng mga schedule at ng mga activities. So hindi sila laging nagkakasama at makikita lang natin siguro sila pag siguro sa mga tour sa mga susunod na panahon. Okay? At yun po ang ating latest na update dito sa mundo ng beauty pageant sa Miss Supranational. At ano po ang inyong maging reaksyon dito sa sinabi ng isang Thai netizen kay Katrina Ligado kung bakit siya nanalo doon sa kanilang kompetisyon ay dahil di umano sa kanyang behavior at sa kanyang karakter na ipinakita. Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe kayo dito sa ating YouTube channel.